Hi, today we're gonna do dividing and multiplying numbers. Let's do dividing first. Okay. Like if we have numbers that's like about like 8, 7, 8 divided by 77.82. 82. The first thing you know, everybody knows, is you could just do it by just doing it mentally. But there's another way you could do. You could just ignore the decimal that you have, and then ignore the decimal and just solve it and get the answer. So let's do it now. It's not going to go 7, you're going to wait 0. Let's go, I'll just change the color here. So 8, 0. Then we're going to go 8 divided by 7. It's going to be 9 because 9 is the closest. So you're going to write 9. And then write the answer, constant, 72. Then you're going to minus it. 77 minus 72 equals 5. Then after you're done 5, you're going to bring the 8 we have here, there down, and make it 58. Then you're going to make it 8 times 7, 56, because that's the closest to 58. Then you write 56, and you're going to minus that with minus 58 again. You get the quotient 2. 1, 2. You got the answer 2. Then you're going to bring the 2 you have up there. 2 you have up there, down. 2 you have up there, right down here, and right here. 22. That makes me 2. Now you're going to write e equal to 2. What's it going to be? It's going to be 8 times 2, 16. Because if you go on to this, it's 24, right? So you write 16. And 22 minus 16 equals 6. So 6 is your remainder, and 972 is your quotient. Now you find the decimal. Either as you know that the number was 8 divided by 7.82. You could just count the number of decimals because it was there. So you go once, twice, and that's it. That's where decimal goes, right? Oh, there's another way you could do that. Just do this. As you doing by doing this, you could get you could just get 8 and 77 and go to the nearest number of 8 and 77. You can see 77.82, right? You got 7 and 8. Okay, you divide into 7 and you get answer. And you get something that's gonna be about negative 1, right? Or as you know, you get the answer. I mean, you're gonna divide 8 with 77 since the decimal comes after 77, and you're gonna get the answer 9 point something. So to write where the decimal goes, you're gonna put it up to 9 because 8 divided by 7 equals some 9 point something, right? So it's gonna go to 9. So the correct answer is 9.72. Now let's do another one here. Well, let me just do another one. Another sum here, and let me just erase it so we can do some new. Let's do another one. And now to the erase it, let's do another sum. Let's do 5 divided by 5 divided by 55 75. So, to divide the first, like I told you, we're gonna ignore the decimal here, because we have a decimal. We're gonna ignore it and write and divide it. So, what's 5 divided by 5? Is gonna be 1, 5 equal 0. Then this 5 comes from. It's gonna be this. 1, 5, and 0, and then we go back here. Now we're gonna bring the 7 down and put 2 and get the answer 7 here. After 7, we're gonna divide it with 1 because the function put it 7 and write 5 here again. Then we're gonna put 2 down. Then we get the 25 that we have left right here, and right here and 25. After 25, we're gonna go up again and write 5 there, since that's where, since that's it, because 5 to 5 is 25. And we're gonna write 25, and we get the answer 0, as you all can see. So the amount of reality you can count decimals, and to make this answer second way is, as you know, when the answer is the thing we're going to divide was 5 divided by 55.75. So we're going to just divide 5 with 55 and we get the answer 11 point something. So we're going to put decimal after 11, because since 5 and 55 is 11.11 point something, and the answer is gonna be 11.15. And now let's go on the multiply for the second part of the video. And now to do multiplication. Let's see if we have the number 2.5 times 6.8. First, we're gonna do it like this. We could just do it mathematically, like I told you, but we could do it like this. We could just divide 25 and 68, and by ignoring the decimal, get the answer. So let's do it right now. Okay, 8 times 5 is 40, 0, and a 4. 8 times 2 is 60. So make it 20. We got 200, right? Then we're gonna make for x, and we're gonna do it. 6 times 5 is 30, 0, 3. Then we're gonna do 6 times 2 is 12, 30, 50. And we get the answer, and now get the answer. Its answer is gonna be 0, 0, 7, 1. So it's gonna be 1700. After we got 1700, we're just gonna do this. We can either count the number of decimal places there are, and down behind both numbers there are only 2 decimal places between these two. Or we could, as everybody knows, we could just get that number 2 of the get the first number, the numbers that come before the decimal, as you know, 2 and 6, and we could times 2 and 6 with each other and get the answer. You get the answer here, 12, right? So now the nearest one to 12 is 17. So we're gonna put the decimal, as we know, after 17, and the answer is 15.00. And now let's just do another one. And then now for the another one, x times 12.6 with times 8.9. So first we're gonna just do it like this. 12 under 126 by ignoring the decimal times 89. ignoring the decimal in both. And let's first get the answer, and then we'll go on the next step, as we already did, right? So 9 times 6 is going to be 54. 4. Then 9 times 2 is going to be 18. 8. 1. And, oh, I'm sorry, I just got a quick step, right? And let's just do it again. 9 times 2 is 18. It will be 23. Not 18 here, and remember 2 here. And now let's go. So 34. 9, 10, 11. 1 and 1. And now we're going to do the 8. And cross as I told you. And do the 8. 8 times 6 is 48. 8. And go here, top here, and here. Oh, here, I just have to raise it because we don't have that much space left in this. And here it comes again. What's going 26? So we're gonna do it again. Hang on a minute. 4. And then we're gonna do it. 16, 20. So we're gonna put a 0 here. Look at that, popping with 2. 8, 10. So we're gonna put 0 and 1. And then now for the answer. Get that. 4, 11, 1, 1, 2, and 1. And there's another one. And the answer is 11,214. So now to get that decimal, as I told you, count the number of places behind it and get the answer. 112.14. Or, as I told you, we could just get 12. And here, let me give them the answer. 1, 1, 2, 1, and 4. So, I told you we could just do it. 12.6 times 8.9. So we could just times 12 with 8 and get the answer. And the answer is 96. So 96 is way closer to 112 than it is closer to something else, right? So the answer, and the decimal belongs right there. So the answer is gonna be 112.14. And thank you for watching this video, and there might be more videos after, later. We're done now. Finish.